Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to do background from any image for absolutely free. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is open up your browser and type Adobe Remote Background. So the background remover is a free tool provided by Adobe. I believe it is the best one available on the internet. So let's right click on the first result which shows up. It will take to the page where you can remove the background. So here's the page, it shows the steps what you have to do. So let's click on the pose the photo option. So this is basically a tool where you can remove the background from the photos. So you can select or and upload your own photos, or you can use a sample image which have been provided here. So for the purpose of the video, we will use the sample image. Just right click on the image and process removal process will begin. Now we have to wait and apply and remove the background. As you can see, the background has been removed and it is transparent now. So now you might be wondering how you're going to download the image as there is no download option available. So to download the image, just right click on it and select save image. Here you can specify the file name and its extension. You can select PNG or JPG, whatever you like. I personally prefer PNG images, so we save the image. The image will be saved, and then let's open it. As you can see, the background has been completely removed, and the image quality is quite good as well. And there are no watermarks or whatever, so that's pretty much it for the video. And on the closing note, I would like to mention that there are many tools available online for for using background, but I personally feel this is the best one as I have been using it for quite a while to create my own YouTube videos and thumbnails. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye bye.